Jalebi, a traditional Indian sweet, holds a special place in the country's culinary heritage. This crispy, sweet delicacy has been enjoyed for centuries, and its popularity extends beyond the borders of India. Jalebi is widely recognized as an Indian sweet and is loved by people of all ages. Its unique spiral shape, vibrant color, and syrupy texture make it a favorite among dessert enthusiasts. Whether you savor it on its own, pair it with rabri, or use it as a topping for ice cream, jalebi never fails to tantalize the taste buds. Whether you eat it for breakfast of puri and aloo ki sabzi or as an evening snack of samosa and chai, whether it's just on its own or with curd, whether it's hot, cold, or even day-long stale, it will still be the highlight of your day. Did you know that this famous delicacy doesn't originate from India? The nation's beloved recipe is taken from its Middle Eastern counterpart zalabia or the Persian zulbia. Even though there are differences between the two, this recipe was brought to the Indian subcontinent by Persian traders, artisans, and Middle Eastern invaders during the medieval period. It began to be known as jalebi, a local pronunciation of zalabia. By the 15th century, jalebi became a must for festive occasions, weddings, temple food, or just comfort food. With more than 500 years of history in the recipe, the spiral-shaped delight is prepared with a batter made with all-purpose flour, maida, cardamom powder, and kesar, which is deep-fried to golden brown color, and soaked in the sugar syrup with hints of saffron, for the perfect huey. This finger-licking dish has a chewy texture with a crystallized sugary exterior coating. It is often served with curd, rabdi or milk. There are various types of jalebis that you should definitely try. Particularly famous in the state of West Bengal, paneer jalebi or chenar jalebi is made out of cottage cheese. Paneer jalebi is darker and crispier than the classic jalebi and is also a healthier alternative. Another popular jalebi comes from Madhya Pradesh. Khoya jalebi is made with a mixture of khoya, maida, and milk. Khoya jalebi is moreish and has a different texture and thickness than the classic jalebi. And my personal favorite is the North Indian version of jalebi, which is made using urad dal, otherwise known as jangiri. This type of jalebi is made by frying the batter in flower patterns and is served as it is. All this talk about jalebi is making me want to eat some hot jalebis with thick curd. It's easy to make at home if you want to give it a try yourself.